2025-26 was a huge season for SAEF, with our team working across the Antarctic continent and sub-Antarctic islands. Want to see what we got up to? As a central part of the Australian Antarctic Program, SAEF researchers, with support from the Australian Antarctic Division, embarked on the first major scientific campaign in over 20 years to Heard and McDonald Islands, some of the most pristine places on Earth. In this living laboratory, we used cutting-edge technology to map biodiversity and provide a window into how climate change alone is shaping these untouched ecosystems. In East Antarctica, with support from White Desert and the White Desert Foundation, we sent 2 specialised teams to Dronning Maudland. We deployed an AI-powered monitoring platform to examine fragile ecosystems of mosses and lichens and study how ice melts and refreezes. A small but critical process that helps us understand the future of the world's coastlines. SAEF also co-hosted Science Discovery Week with the White Desert Foundation. We shared our work with guests on the ice, building a deeper awareness and understanding of Antarctica's global significance. Next, we headed to Antarctica's hidden desert, the McMurdo Dry Valleys. With Antarctica New Zealand, the University of Waikato and Blake ambassadors, we discovered how microbes survive the long, dark Antarctic winter through a process known as aerotrophy, essentially living off gases in the air. It's a potential blueprint for how life might survive on Mars and help us understand how Antarctica may evolve with climate change. We also travelled with the Aurora expeditions on the MV Douglas Mawson to survey fragile ecosystems across Macquarie, Campbell and Auckland Islands. In partnership with the University of Tasmania, on board the CSIRO research vessel RV Investigator, we explored the Cook Ice Shelf region. Using deep-sea sampling techniques, we surveyed seafloor biodiversity and recovered rare organisms like umbellula, octopuses and sea stars. This research reveals how Antarctic ecosystems respond to change. Support also continued through our partnership with the British Antarctic Survey, enabling research on Sydney Island, examining how human activity is affecting terrestrial ecosystems. Research opportunities like this illustrate the significance and strength of SAEF's international scientific collaboration. This season was made possible through strong partnerships with our program collaborators, national Antarctic programs and private travel providers. Together we are building a continent-wide understanding of Antarctica's climate, environment and biodiversity. We are driven by our vision for an environmentally secure Antarctic, valued for its role in the Earth system and for its significance to society. Our work continues. Stay tuned.